Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Bugatti Bolide. So we did unbox Bugatti Bolide in two other colors, like in the original blue it came, and after that in a yellow color. So yellow doesn't look really nice. So this one now they released it in red color. So these are just simply recolors. So I really bought it just to unbox and show it to you guys. Honestly, I never wanted to buy this particular casting because it was just repeat. Okay, so I bought it for MRP, and one of my friend bought it for me. His name is Aravind, so he's from my native place. He bought it for me. So this is it. See, it doesn't really look in exactly in red color. So it is kind of, how you can say, saffron. It does look kind of saffron, not exactly pure red. You can see the rims. The rims are actually red color, but not the paint job in the body. You can see some issues with the windshield here. It does have nice interior detailing to it. So it does have tail light detail to it. And again, headlight details are painted. Again, at least they have that now. Because this casting doesn't have much going on when it comes to detailing part, apart from the aerodynamics and everything. So they need to give at least these things, or else this is going to look blunt. So the entire body is made of metal except for this part here, this roof scoop and everything, air intake and everything. This is made of plastic. So and the chassis is plastic, but rest everything is made of metal till this part here. So these pieces are made of plastic. You can see. So it just attached here. You can see the deep, small gap which is dividing both. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay. Okay, it does roll really well. But there are some wheel wobble, specifically, there is a wheel wobble in the rear wheel. The front wheel rolls. Okay, the front wheel rolls really well, but the rear wheel actually has wheel wobble. So I'm not sure if you connect this track as a big track. I don't know how this is going to perform, but with the short track here which I'm having, it does roll really well. So overall, it's a nice casting. If you're still not able to get the Bugatti, at least by see, again I'm saying this, guys, be patient. Don't get things from scalpers. Don't encourage them. And again, a case already came in certain parts of India, like Mumbai and Delhi and all these areas. So soon it will hit your stores nearby. But just make some connections with those store people, and try buy some good number of cars from the first time, so that they will be able to help you out moving further, or else they won't do anything. So instead of buying from scalpers, just make a connect with your local stores. Even if it is a small store, they will help you out. That's how at least I'm getting my castings, and even I'm helping my group. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.